Hi guys, it is Animal Lover, and leave a comment below, and yeah. If you like this video, yay! So, yeah, hope you have fun. I hope my husband gets here soon, or else. She's I'm coming. You just knocked over. Knocked over Ryan. So nice. So mature, by the way. Ew, you said that in a weird way. That's not nice to say. No, you're not nice. Cause you did it. What kind of kids behave like that? This hotel, though, it's like the best, but I was thinking more of a party. Oh, who knocked me over? This party's supposed to be fun, not falling, or did. We hope if you enjoy this video. Yay!